What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to enable family sharing on Steam. So for this we will need the Steam client or application on your computer. Once you open it, first go to Steam where it says Steam on the top left corner, click on it, and then go to Settings. First we'll need to enable Steam Guard. So here go to the Security tab in your settings and go to Manage Steam Guard here. Click on it. Now, by default, you'll see that Steam Guard is disabled or turned off. So if that's the case, enable it by choosing any of these two options. I chose Get Steam Guard Codes by email so that every time I'll try to sign into my Steam account, it'll send a code to my email and I'll have to enter it to be able to sign in. So once you get Steam Guard enabled, return to Settings and hit the Family tab. And then enable authorized library sharing on this device. So once it's enabled, family members will be able to access your Steam library.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.